Fyxer AI has just hit the market, and if you're wondering whether it's the best AI software for your needs, you're in the right place. In this Fyxer AI review, we're covering 7 crucial things you need to know about this new release. So stay with me until the end to find out if it's the right fit for you. And remember, you can try Fyxer AI for free using the link in the description below. So, what's Fyxer AI all about? Right off the bat, Fyxer AI is designed to simplify complex workflows using artificial intelligence, but it doesn't just stop there. It's an all-in-one tool that aims to streamline your daily tasks, from content creation to customer service automation, and with its easy-to-use interface, even if you're new to AI, it won't take long to get the hang of it. One of the standout features of Fyxer AI is its ability to automatically generate high-quality content tailored to your niche. Whether you're creating blog posts, marketing copy, or social media updates, this software saves you time while producing content that feels like it's written by a human. Unlike many other AI tools, Fyxer AI takes context into account, which makes it better at understanding the tone and intent of your requests. This ensures that your content aligns with your brand voice, making it a top choice for digital marketers and content creators alike. Another area where Fyxer AI shines is in customer service automation. If you run a business and are overwhelmed with customer queries, Fyxer AI can be set up to handle multiple types of customer interactions. From answering basic questions to resolving more complex issues, the AI is trained to engage customers in a way that feels personalized. This means you can offer 24/7 support without constantly monitoring chats or email. But what really sets Fyxer AI apart is its learning capabilities. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. As you input feedback, the software refines its outputs and suggestions, making it better suited to your specific needs over time. This kind of adaptability is what makes Fyxer a standout player in the crowded AI space. For those who value collaboration, Fyxer AI also offers team functionalities. You can collaborate seamlessly with colleagues, share resources, and even track project progress, all from one central hub. This is perfect for digital marketing agencies or teams working on large-scale content campaigns, where keeping everyone on the same page is crucial. Now, you might be wondering, how does Fyxer AI compare to other AI tools? Well, while tools like Jasper or Copy.ai are great for content generation, Fyxer AI takes it a step further with its integrated customer service features and its continuous learning system. Plus, its user-friendly design makes it much easier to dive into for those who might not be familiar with AI yet. If you're someone who struggles with task management, Fyxer AI can also automate your workflows. It can integrate with your existing tools, sync data, and even create timelines for projects. This takes the pressure off project managers who have to juggle various responsibilities daily. The final thing you need to know about Fyxer AI is that it is designed to scale with your business. Whether you're a freelancer just starting out or an established company, Fyxer can grow with you. The more you use it, the more efficient your workflows become. So, is Fyxer AI the best just released AI software? If you're looking for an all-in-one solution that blends content creation, customer service automation, and workflow management in a way that's both powerful and user-friendly, then this is definitely worth checking out. You can start using Fyxer AI for free through the link below, and if you're serious about making your business more efficient, I highly recommend giving it a try. Don't forget to check out my recommended AI software list in the description. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and these are the ones I trust to make your work more productive.